Hello. We're going to continue our class on the coordinate geometry of the circle. But today, this topic that we're going to continue to treat involve the circle and the line. The circle and the line. The circle and the line can be tangent, that means touching the line at one single point, or it can be secant, that means cutting the line, cutting the circle at two different points. And the line can be also elsewhere out of the circle. Okay, so now we have now the question: find the point of intersection of the line x plus y equals 4 and the circle x squared plus y squared equals 10. Here, this class is for ordinary and for higher level, both ordinary and higher level mathematics. Now, we are going to solve the question like we have learned to do the simultaneous equations since the junior certificate. We have the two simultaneous equations. One is quadratic and another one is linear. And the method that we have to do here is the substitution method that we are going to do. So this, we can write it y is equal to 4 minus x. 4 minus x. And then I'm going to substitute there to have x squared plus 4 minus x squared equals 10. Okay, we have it like that. Now we are going to expand this part. So we have x squared there. So x squared plus 4 minus x, bracket, 4 minus x equals 10. So, when we multiply here, we multiply out the two brackets and we add x squared. So x squared, we have it here. If you multiply 4 by 4, you get 16. 4 by minus x, we get minus 4x. Minus x by 4, we get minus 4x. Minus x by minus x, we get plus x squared, and that equals 10. Okay? So we get this. Now we are going to write this will be equal to what? We are going to assemble the like terms. If we do so, look, x squared plus x squared, this will give what? This will give 2x squared. I'm going to write it here. So x squared plus x squared, this will give 2x squared. 2x squared. And then minus 4x, this will give minus 8x. Minus 8x. And then 16. When we bring 10 to the left-hand side, we're going to have 16 minus 10. So this will be just 6 is equal to 0. So we get 2x squared minus 8x plus 6 equals 0. Now from here, we have a quadratic equation that we need to solve. Quadratic equation that we need to solve here. Okay? We can use minus b formula, the quadratic formula, or you can use the guide number. Okay? You can use the guide number method, or you can use the quadratic formula. Now, if we use the quadratic formula, so let me write down here on the top. If I have 2x squared minus 8x plus 6 equals 0, I have it like that. And now I use the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula says what? Quadratic formula says x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so our a is 2, b is minus 8, and c is 3. Now, if we do that, minus b, so minus 8. So minus, rewrite the formula. The formula says minus, I put minus, and then minus 8 is there, plus minus b squared, that means minus 8, I put a small bracket, and I put minus 8, and I squared. Because if you don't put like that, you may get error when using your calculator. So now the formula says minus 4, a is 2, and the c is 6. 2a. Look what we got. Minus and minus we give what? Plus. Minus minus we give plus. So I put, just leave it like that. Then we use the calculator here. If I use my calculator, use your calculator, don't put on your calculator, don't put plus minus. It will not be possible. So don't put plus and minus at the same time. No, it will not be possible. You get error. So you put plus first. When we do the solution, we're using plus first. So I put 8 plus square root. I put a bracket minus 8 and then square, and then minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 6, and then put there this, the first value, x giving 3. This when I use plus, but when I use minus, I'm going to write the formula for minus, the answer for the minus. If I use minus, I'm going to get what? I'm going to get 1. So I have x equals 3, x equals 1. But it's not finished. It's not finished because we got the values of x. We need also to get the corresponding values of y. Okay, we need to get the corresponding values of y. So the corresponding values of y for this one, okay, for this one, so just take what here, you remember, okay, we take this equation, remember we had it like that, x plus y equals 4. Now y is equal to what? Y is equal to 4 minus x. Okay, y is 4 minus x. This, we can write it this way. So y is equal to 4 minus x. Our x is 3. Our x is 3. So you get 1. So we see that if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. And finally, our answer will be 3, 1. 3, 1. Now, for x is equal to 1, we do the same. X is equal to 1. We do the same. Y will be equal to what? Y will be equal to 4 take away 1. So 4, because coming from here, y is equal to 4 minus x. That's our x is 1. So we do 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 we give 3. 4 minus 1 we give 3. So the solution now will be 1. Okay, 1. Go to write it there. Solution will be 1, 3. 1, 3. We have 1, 3 there. Now here, can you see properly here? I think that you can see properly. So the solution will be 1, 3. 1, 3 there. Okay, is our final answer. So find the point of intersection of the line and the circle. And you see, we have 2 points. The first point, the coordinate of the first point, and here the coordinate of the second point. Okay, we have there. Find the points. This S, that means we have more than 1 point, but not 3. Not 1, not 3, but only 2. Okay, so we have the first one and the next one is there. Now, thank you.